So good morning everyone, I'm Dr. Jonathan Flordelis. You can call me Doc Joff, as that's what my patients call me anyway, and my friends. Today, I have to share with you this because it's happening every day. And 150,000 Filipinos every year get fractured. And 50% they don't get to walk again. What happens when you don't walk? You get pneumonia. You cannot live a life without mobility. That's why we created this idea that is true for everyone. Movement is medicine, just like what my mother was sharing with you. And the next idea we are giving you that instead of medications, food is medicine, and that's what we're going to talk about later. I'm going to share with you some tips on how to prevent hip fractures, but I'd also like to share with you a story why this event came to be. Because my lolo is actually someone who was very strong before, but when he got a stroke, he would still walk with me every day from up our hill and going down. And he was always there for me because busy si mama, busy si papa, working. And I thought that it was amazing. He was getting mobile until it happened again, another stroke. And when I say movement is medicine, the opposite is true. If you're not able to move, you lose something inside. And that something is something that you may not be able to get back if no one helps you. So that's why we created this event, so that you can move and live a long and strong life. No one wants to be fractured